Hey guys! Prepaid mobile user ka ba? Gusto mo bang mag-business by providing prepaid loans? Kung interesado ka, visit our website at www.camerageektv.com.
Welcome to Camera Geek TV's Geektionary. Bago na naman ang DSLR ni Jeff. As usual, exciting niyang binuo ang unit niya. Kabit ang memory card, battery, strap at lente. Kaliko to the max sa lahat ng pindutan. Pero, dapat niyang basahin muna yung instruction manual ng bagong unit niya. Sakit ito ng photographers, ang pag-iwas sa pagbasa ng DSLR manual. Ano ang tawag sa ganitong sakit? Read fatigue! Kahit itali mo si Jeff sa upuan, di niya babasahin ang manual dahil sa sakit na read fatigue. Ito'y nakakahawa at peligro sa ating mga DSLR. Mga tip laban sa read fatigue. Una, parating ibaon ng manual sa camera bag sakaling may katanungan ukol sa DSLR functions. Pangalawa, i-download sa cellphone ang PDF format ng manual pag malala ang read fatigue. Pangatlo, bumili ng DVD tutorial ng DSLR mo sa internet pag hopeless na ang read fatigue. Buti na lang na nagginip si Jeff na nakidnap siya ng mga anti-read fatigue vigilant gang. Jeff, be a good boy and read your manual from time to time, okay? Or else...
Camera Geek TV would like to thank Artina Suites Hotel, Your Cozy Home, and Bustling Makati. Meg.
We would like to thank Wilma Cruz Tapalia, Institute for Etiquette, Speech, and Image. Mend your speech, mind your manners.
Snippets of Style is both a salon and a studio.
Snippets of Style has a collaboration with Fadal.
Fadal is a new group that showcases talents of different fashion designers, from glamorous evening wears to avant-garde designers. So it's a young and very dynamic group.
Snippets of Style is also in collaboration with 4 young fashion photographers.
I'm actually delighted that Ms. Irene and Kaloy Montemayor suggested that we collaborate in this such event to showcase that a salon could be a form of art, just like what I'm with my makeup and my hair.
Actually, this is going to be the first in the country. It's similar to a fashion house.
It has to do with everything about fashion.
We have a studio wherein we have skilled photographers. We have stylists and makeup artists as well. We also do costumes.
People can also elect to rent out the 3 studios and also open up the collapsible walls.
Snippets of Style is basically a one-stop shop. We have affordable rates. We will have open shoots for wannabe models and for photographers as well. For the salon, we have esteemed stylists known in the industry.
The studio looks really promising, and I encourage a lot of photographers na as soon as the studio opens, I invite them to shoot here.
Don't arch back too much.
Lahat ng lights, equipment, reflector, beauty dish, nandito na lahat. So, tamang-tama siya sa mga nag-umpisang nag-shoot.
To all photographers, not only fashion photographers, it is really recommended to try to shoot here in Snippets of Style, wherein fashion is being collaborated, and not only fashion photography, but photography in general.
We'd like to invite all the fashionistas out there to come and visit Snippets of Style Salon and Studio at Unit C, ground floor of the Horizon Condominium, Ortigas Center, where fashion is our passion.